We talked about the authoring experience in the page editor. There's tons of features there. Other areas, we have a person listing option. So you could come in here and create different people. As you can see on the right side, you've got an image, and you could put in all their details or information and show or hide them in our directory listing that we have in here for you. We have an alert banner option where you can add different information based on red, orange, green, when it would show up and disappear, and then update those. So you could have maybe 10 different alerts, maybe one's expiring at some point, but you could put them all up in that spot. It's very easy to use. And then above that too, we have news articles. So you could come in here and write an article. You can categorize them as posts, just like blog posts, like the most standard thing WordPress does. That's in there. Events. So if you want, you can come in here and create different events, and I'll show you kind of the front side of some of those tools. So if I look in here in the newsroom, you're going to see news articles that we put in. You could put in different categories and different filters if you want, but that's all in there, and the list is kind of in the appropriate dated order. Person directory example. This is where you could just start putting in, people, and people could search and get those. Event calendars and listings we have here. So if we had upcoming events, they'd be in there. Let me go back and see if I can catch one. There you go. So you'd see your events in the list here. Here, if we had upcoming events or previous events, you could see those, and they list out very well here. An event actual page looks like this, so we could have a map if we choose, different series if they're a repeating event, and you have your sharing and adding to calendar here for events. Yeah. In terms of campus locations, we have a mapping system as well, but it just depends on kind of your needs there. Search up here, we have our search, which will take you to a search page, and that's customizable as well, but you'll see it all in here.